Next, we're going to focus on the second design for the Guardian front page. So this is the style sheet, just for reference, if you need to go back and just jog your memory on these. And in order to do that, we need to open up another Microsoft Word file. In the links folder, I'll double click on Copy Travel Ban Edition. I don't need the original one here, so that's the Theresa May one from the first page. I'll close that one down and then just move this one to the side. I'll focus on the long read copy just to show you the differences in formatting from the previous design, and then you can replace the remaining copy using the techniques we looked at on the first page. So if I head up to the long read and select all the copy in that line, head back to InDesign, click on the zoom tool so I can get a nice clear view in here, and then switch back to my selection tool, double click. This time I'm going to press Control and A or Command A to select all the copy in that frame, and I'll choose Control and V to paste or Command and V to paste on a Mac. However, we do need to change the color of the last 4 lines. Now there isn't a style for this, but you can just change the color of your copy at any time. As long as it's highlighted, InDesign knows what you want to affect. Head across to the Appearance panel. The section called Fill shows a capital T using the current color. Click on the color box in there. You can then hover over the swatch name of paper, which, as you've probably guessed by now, is InDesign's name for white. Click on that to apply it, and then you can hit the return key to make the pop-up disappear. And then hit the escape key on the keyboard, and that will now match our formatting for the style sheet. I'll hold down the spacebar, focus on the other heading, back to Word, and then select the copy in there. Copy that. Again, I'm going to press Control and A to select all, and then Control and V to paste all the text in there. Now with this one, the bottom line will need to be changed in color as well. I'm going to triple click on that one. This does have a character style assigned to it. If I click on the tab for character styles, click on the drop down menu, it will be applied with cornflower blue. And notice the oddity of this: when you change a color, it will not look like the color you intended because it's highlighted. And so it's just like any other application, it's trying to make the text stand out from its background. But rest assured, when you hit the escape key and click away, it will look cornflower blue. So there's differences for the headings across the top. I'm going to format the remaining copy, but I will speed up the video just so you can see that, but it's using the same techniques as the first design. So that's all the copy now added. In the next video, we'll add the image content to the page.